Ladies and gentlemen, let's not waste more time discussing Rahul Gandhi. But one big story today, the Modi government has tonight sent a loud message by bringing in the Triple Talaq Bill as the first big legislation in Parliament. Third attempt in 5 years. Loud opposition. Will this get through this time? Will it move? I think it should. I hope it will. Let's debate.
On the debate tonight, the government keeping its promise on triple talaq.
3 तलाक और 3 तलाक को लेकर जिस तरह मुस्लिम माताओं बहनों ने लंबे समय तक कष्ट उठाया और ये बात किसी से छुपी नहीं हुई है। सालों की लंबी लड़ाई के बाद अब उन्हें 3 तलाक से मुक्ति पाने का रास्ता मिला है।
Day one of business and Union Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad introducing the Triple Talaq Bill in the Lok Sabha.
I beg to move for leave to introduce a bill to protect the rights of married Muslim women and to prohibit divorce by pronouncing talaq by their husband and to provide for matters stated therewith or is illegal thereto.
Third attempt in Parliament, the move to bring justice to 90 million Muslim women in India blocked by the Congress.
Abandoning or deserting wives and dependents is not unique to the Muslim community. Why not make a law which universally criminalizes the abandonment of family and dependents without taking responsibility? ये सवाल न सियासत का है, न इबादत का है, न पूजा का है, न धर्म का है, न प्रार्थना का है। ये सवाल है नारी न्याय, नारी गरिमा, नारी इंसाफ।
And the leaders who claim to fight for Muslim women chose to divert from the subject.
मैं आपके जरिए सरकार से पूछना चाह रहा हूं, आपको मुस्लिम महिलाओं से इतनी मोहब्बत है, केरला के हिंदू महिलाओं से क्यों मोहब्बत नहीं है? क्यों साबरीमाला के खिलाफ आप हैं? क्यों जजमेंट के खिलाफ आप हैं? बताइए आप बताइए आप क्या ये गलत हो रहा है सर?
Triple talaq is neither an issue of religion, nor of prayer, nor of any other communal consideration. It's a pure and simple issue of insaf. Women justice, women dignity, women empowerment.
And here's the party that preaches on women empowerment.
So there's, at the lower levels of the political system, there's tremendous participation of women. I think not having women play a role in politics is a tragedy. So I think it's critical.
आदरणीय सोनिया गांधी जी देश की एक बड़ी महिला नेत्री है और उनकी अगुवाई में कांग्रेस पार्टी खड़ी होती है तो वैसे साहब के साथ शशि थरूर ने कोई आपत्ति की तो इसका मतलब कांग्रेस पार्टी इंसाफ के खिलाफ।
Will the government be successful in both houses this time? Let's debate.
भाई आपको कुछ और करने को नहीं है क्या? वारिस पठान की अपनी बेइज्जती कराएंगे इस बार, कोई नहीं रोक सकता इसको। आतिकुर रहमान और असद फलाई, आपको मैं कह रहा हूं, कितनी कोशिश कर लीजिए नहीं रुकेगी। गिव इट अप, है ना? व्हाट डू यू थिंक अंबर? शुड दे नॉट गिव इट अप? जीनत शौकत अली, शुड दे नॉट गिव इट अप? Atikur Rahman, देखिए.
Yes, of course they should.
They should give it up. Yeah, you tell.
Yes,
you tell. No, Zeenat Shaukat Ali. Zeenat Shaukat Ali. I want to start with you. Zeenat Shaukat Ali should tell. Zeenat Shaukat Ali should tell Waris Pathan why he should give up the opposition to the Triple Talaq Bill. Let Zeenat start by telling them why they should give it up.
Of course, ladies first.
Yes. Triple talaq, as we know very well, is anti-Quranic, it is anti-constitutional, it is anti-Islamic. It has nothing to do with Islam. You have a Supreme Court judgment which has said null and void. Does null and void mean that the man can do anything that he wants? That anything that comes to his mind, and whenever he wants to make a declaration of or use the word triple talaq, he should be allowed to do so, and he should get away with this without any kind of punishment? I do not understand the logic of, this argument
Nobody does.
of contesting this bill.
Waris, why have you made it
Yes,
an ego
if
issue?
if there are certain matters that you don't agree.
Waris, why are you? What is
Now,
this?
may I make my point, madam? If you have done
I'll ask you a
is a
simple
very
question.
important bill
You made it an
for
ego
the
issue,
dignity of Muslim
and
women.
all the Muslim women have voted against you in this election. आप गए ना सब जगह हेलीकॉप्टर में जाके चीखते चिल्लाते रहे, और क्या कर रहे थे वारिस पठान जी पिछले 4 महीने से? सब जगह जाके बोल रहे थे ट्रिपल तलाक. सबने आपको बिल्कुल करारा जवाब दिया है. You had a horrible loss in this election. After this also you are continuing. Fact is, please understand, give it up. You have lost it. People are making fun of you now, Waris.
No, may I make
Waris, people are now making fun of you.
May I?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Why?
Why are they making fun of you? Ask them. Should I open the phone lines?
May I make my Arnab?
Should I open the phone lines? Ambarji, should I open the phone line?
The Supreme Court has clearly said
phone
the
line
instant triple talaq is void. That means the marriage still remains, the wife still remains, his wife, the husband remains the husband of the wife.
No, I'm sorry, Mr. Pradhan, you are wrong here.
The bill making it criminal offence by sending the man to 3 years in jail.
Yes.
Is this not unconstitutional?
I
It is
think
not a
3 years
violation
is
of
too
Article
little.
14 and 15
There's
of the
no
Constitution.
immediate
That if a
jail.
non-Muslim
If
commits
he's
this act,
proven guilty,
the
then
punishment
he'll be
is 1
sent
year.
to jail.
If the Muslim
It's not
commits
that
this
they
act,
will
the
directly send him
punishment
to the
is
jail.
3 years.
Why are you so
And now
worried
if the
for
man
the
is sent
men
to
who's
jail
doing
for
wrong
3
to the
years,
Muslim
who will
women?
pay for the maintenance of the wife? Who will pay for the maintenance? Who will, and after 3 years when the man
If
comes
he's
out of
so-
jail,
if
we
so-
actually
he's so
really accept
concerned
the
about
woman.
his wife
So
and
this bill
children,
is nothing
so
but
why
is
is giving
against the
triple talaq
woman.
to his
And
wife?
Arnab Goswami, there are other provisions
Your
under the
argument
law
is
which can
totally
protect the woman.
baseless. You
There is
are- you are
section
simply-
498.
you are simply
There is
opposing
Domestic
the bill.
Violence Act 2005.
That's it, you are politicizing
which provides
the
woman
issue.
for her
It is a
Assad.
simple and plain
child
matter of
custody.
women rights.
Assad, you have not learned
There
your
is
lesson.
another section
Women.
on 125.
I
do not understand the simple and plain thing.
I thought,
What is the
Assad, that
use
after
of
the,
bringing a bill
I thought
which is
today,
totally
Waris, thank you.
unconstitutional,
Waris, thank you. You
violation
lost
of
the election.
article.
Waris,
And Arnab Goswami, let me tell you, we
Waris-
contested 1 seat and we won first seat in Maharashtra.
Waris-
You have
100
lost
out of
the
100
point,
result we
Mr.
gave in
Patan. You have
Maharashtra.
lost
That
the
is what
point.
happened in my campaigning.
You have no facts and points to argue on
I'm
this topic.
making my point. You are interjecting again and again. You are heckling, madam. Madam, the
I'm not
Supreme Court has in
interjecting
clear terms
anything.
said that
You are giving wrong arguments here.
and voided.
It is a simple
So the
and
marriage
plain
does
matter of
not
women
get
rights and
dissolved.
dignity of a
The
woman.
marriage is
Why are you
there.
making
Why are you
why are you
against
making it a
Muslim women?
political issue?
So the woman rights,
Why are you
madam, I
making
will
it a
tell you.
Hindu versus
Why don't you?
Muslim?
Asad Falai.
Why does the channel not show the lakhs of women who came out on road against the triple talaq bill?
No,
In the hot,
not even
humid
1%.
sun, lakhs
gives
of
equal
women
Not
came
even
out all over
1%.
India on the road
I can tell you one
opposing
thing.
the bill.
I'll tell you one thing. I did a dipstick research of my own.
It is
I did a dipstick research on my own with the focus groups on multiple sides, and I can tell you, Amber, 1 second. Amber, 1 minute. Amber, I did a dipstick research. I made many of my Muslim friends also do it, and I came to the conclusion that not even 1% of Muslim women are against the triple talaq bill. Everybody wants it. It's only people like Asad. You know, after the harrowing defeat in the 2019 elections, like, why are you so nervous about a triple talaq bill coming into being? It is coming. 90 million Muslim women are going to be emancipated. History will remember you as a villain.
As if you are sitting on the chair.
No,
of
history,
justice.
Amber,
So you keep
Amber,
passing
please
the
tell him.
judgment and you keep
Amber,
saying all
history,
these things.
Amber,
But
Amber.
listen to me first. Listen to me first.
Amber,
Nobody's,
please tell him.
nobody's opposing
Amber,
this
tell
bill.
Asad Khan
See, at
Falai
least I'm
that
not against
history
this
will
bill.
remember him as a villain.
I'm against the criminalization of triple talaq.
Oh, God, you
when
know,
this
no,
is
no.
invalid by the Supreme Court of India, Article 141 says, a law
Technical
declared by the
argument.
Supreme Court shall be binding throughout the territory of India. You no need to enact a new law. And now come to the marriage. Marriage is a social and civil agreement.
Civil contract, yeah.
Civil contract.
Right.
Okay. But when it is a civil contract or civil agreement, you cannot make it a crime. According to Jeremy Bentham book,
Oh God, you are making a legal argument. He's got confused. किताब पढ़ लीजिए. नहीं अंबर एक मिनट मैं टीवी पर आता हूँ मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ एक मिनट अंबर ये जो बैठे असद मेरी बात देखिए ये कुछ लिख के लाए हैं पढ़ गए इनके मन से कोई बात नहीं वो किताबी बातें किताब में लिख के वो बोल रहे हैं रट्टा मार के आए हैं, उसको आप पढ़ लीजिए, आप यू कैन रीड आउट व्हाट यू हैव रिटन।
डू रिसर्च
ने मन में
no,
कुछ
आप बिना प्रिपरेशन के आ जाते हैं डिबेट करने।
मैं मन से भी डिबेट कर रहा हूं, मैं अपने दिल से डिबेट करता हूं, मगर आप पढ़िए, आप पढ़िए, आप पढ़िए, आप पढ़िए, आप पढ़िए, आप पढ़िए असद,
मैं
आप पढ़िए। You don't know what to say.
You don't have a better argument. That's why you are saying
No, I'm sorry.
No, I'm saying my best argument is that all Muslim women of India are against
come
you.
with better argument.
No
Muslim
space.
women hate you for this.
That's why you are saying that I have come with some written quotes
I
and
am
notes
saying
and
that
all.
Muslim women
so
are
you don't
against
have
you.
any better arguments.
No,
so
I am
now
asking.
you are quoting it.
Zeenat,
अब आपके पास कुछ है नहीं बोलने के लिए और आप दिल से नहीं बोल।
Okay, Zeenat and Amber on one side and any two male chauvinists on the other. आतिक को क्या किताब दिखा रहे हो? आतिक क्या दिखा रहे हो?
It is anti-prophetic narration. And all,
and again,
then how
still
can
you are opposing it. Still you are opposing it.
The problem is that
on the one hand you are saying it is a civil contract, on the other hand you are saying it is a matter of religion and the government should not intervene in it. So you are contradicting your statement.
But you should know one thing: social reformation does not happen overnight.
Stick to the one point.
Social reformation does not happen overnight. Just because you enact a law and think, oh, now everything will be stopped now because nobody is going to get
and it should be eradicated. It is a simple and plain thing that it is a violation of women's right and it should be eradicated.
Okay, I do agree. The sole purpose of this bill to provide the gender justice to Muslim married women. That's it.
Yeah.
But it fails to provide gender justice. That's
where
the
it
reason.
fails?
Now
Tell me how.
There is no financial security.
There is a provision of financial security, but magistrate will decide. Magistrate will decide depending on the financial.
But that is the discretion of the judge and the magistrate. He will decide how many he should be given or not.
How can you pre-decide a amount or a certain thing?
No, of
because
course.
it depends on the financial status of the men.
Oh my God! But
how
there
can
is
you
no financial
decide a certain amount?
There is. That's
so
why
you have no point
now,
to argue on this topic.
Sudanshu ji, Sudanshu ji, एक मिनट, Zeenat मैं आ रहा हूँ. Sudanshu ji, 1 second. Sudanshu and can you all relax? It's a Friday evening. Relax. No, why are you fighting like this? देखिए, you are on the Sudanshu ji, you are on the wrong side of history. इतिहास में आतिक जी, आप विलेन बनना चाहते हैं कि हीरो? आप तो विलेन बनने को तैयार हैं। दूसरी बात, अभी ये कहेंगे कि देखिए ये एंटी मुस्लिम है। आतिक जी मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, आप तो जाकिर नायक को भी सपोर्ट करते हैं ना, पता नहीं किसका कल और सपोर्ट करेंगे। मेरी बात सुनिए, कितने लोग भगौड़े हैं इस देश से, है ना? आप उनको सबको सपोर्ट करते हैं, रवि पुजारी से लेके पता नहीं किन किन लोगों को सपोर्ट करते हैं आप। मेरी बात सुनिए, अब मैं सुधांशु जी से पूछूंगा। सुधांशु जी, मैं इनकी मन की बात कहता हूँ। मेरे पास एक क्वालिटी है, मैं लोगों के दिमाग के अंदर जाके उनकी मन की बात समझ सकता हूँ। इतनी प्रोग्राम्स मैंने एंकर की है कि बोलने के पहले मैं ऑलमोस्ट प्रेडिक्ट कर सकता हूँ कि क्या बोलने वाले हैं। अब ये जनाब आतिकुर रहमान है ना, ये आज बेवजह अपने डिबेट के पहले अपनी मन की बात कहना चाहते हैं मेरे थ्रू। अब इनकी मन की बात क्या है? इनकी मन की बात यह है कि मुसलमानों को टारगेट किया जा रहा है। अरे भाई, और किस रिलीजन में, रिलीजन का नाम यूज़ करके, मैं नहीं कह रहा रिलीजन में, रिलीजन का मिसयूज़ करके कोई तलाक कह के अपने शादीशुदा अपने पत्नी को घर से दफा कर सकता है? और किस रिलीजन में अलाउड है? क्या और किसी रिलीजन में? नहीं, रिलीजन में भी अलाउड नहीं है वैसे, आई एम सॉरी, मगर रिलीजन का नाम लेके ये लोग कह रहे हैं कि तलाक कह के अपने बीवी को घर से बाहर भेज दें और फिर ये कहेंगे कि आप मुस्लिम्स को टारगेट कर रहे हैं। इससे बड़ा झूठ नहीं है। पहले तो ये मान लीजिए आतिकुर रहमान कि आपकी मन की बात मैंने कही कि नहीं कही? आपकी मन की बात को मैंने समझा कि नहीं समझा? Did I read your mind right or wrong? Did I read your mind correctly? Atik,
half of it is wrong. Half of it is wrong.
Okay, so half of it is right. Amber, did you see that? Amber, he's saying I read half his mind right.
Yes.
That's a quality. He admits. Did you notice that? That's a
quality. You're so talented. I want to clap for you.
I appreciate.
Thank you. I am gifted. Thank you. Now let Sudhanshu respond.
All of us appreciate that.
That's all. Thank you for your appreciation.
All of us appreciate that.
मैं एक बात और बोल दूं, उसके बाद मन की बात और साफ हो जाएगी।
बोलिए।
देखिए, मन की बात आपकी बहुत है कि मुस्लिम पुरुषों के साथ क्या होगा, और आपको इस्लामिक रवायत और शरिया की बहुत चिंता है। तो तो मैं बताना चाहता हूं, आपको इस्लामिक ट्रेडिशन की वहां पे चिंता नहीं होती कि मुस्लिम पुरुष शराब पीता हुआ मिले तो कोड़े खाने चाहिए। शरिया में तो लिखा है। मुस्लिम पुरुष चोरी करे तो हाथ कटवाने चाहिए, ये तो शरिया में लिखा है, तो क्यों नहीं कटवाते?
फलाई 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 असद फलाई
एक्टिंग करना कुफ्र है।
तो आप
करो शराब पे बैन,
तलाक बिदअत पर हज़रत मोहम्मद के ज़माने में भी सजा मिलती थी।
तो इमाम हुसैन का बॉयकॉट नहीं कर देते।
अंबर इन में
मौसीकी कुफ्र है, तो मोहम्मद रफी से लेके यार रहमान तक के गाने को नहीं बैन कर देते। भाई
महिलाओं के अधिकारों का
मुसलमान मर्दों को सारी छूट है, ना कोई शरिया की जरूरत है, ना कहीं इस्लाम के ऊपर कोई बात आती है। सारी जनानतों तोहमतों
इस पूरे बिल के अंदर सारा का सारा जोर इस बात का है कि पति को कैसे जेल में जाता है।
जीनत जी, जीनत पहले जीनत जी को डिबेट करना, जीनत जी फलाई जी को
एम्पावर करना चाहिए,
तलाक देने को तैयार।
उसको सजा नहीं होनी
जवाब दे दीजिए ना मुझे।
देखिए आपको पता है, आप जानते हैं कि मुस्लिम महिलाओं के साथ क्या क्या हो रहा है, कितना दंश झेल रही हैं वो, उसके बावजूद आप ऐसी बात कर रहे हैं।
मैं तभी तो कह रहा हूँ,
बहुत गलत बात है।
मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, वो औरतें खुद कह रही हैं जिन्होंने ये लड़ाइयाँ लड़ी हैं।
झूठ सफेद झूठ
नहीं है जो हम चाहते थे।
White lie। अरे women can speak for themselves। आप क्या उनके प्रवक्ता हैं? आपको किसने प्रवक्ता बनाया? जीनत जी, अंबर जी, अंबर जी, अंबर जी,
अरे सिर्फ मुस्लिम बहन
अंबर जी, Amber, I want to ask you one thing. Zinat ji, I want to ask you first of all, Waris Pathan, congratulations, congratulations. अरे बधाई हो।
कानूनी सुरक्षा अगर वो चाहे तो जा सकती है।
नहीं, Amber 1 minute, Amber 1 minute, Amber, I want to congratulate Waris, I want to congratulate him. वारिस जी, आप सोचते होंगे आज कि आज शाम, शुक्रवार के शाम 10:45 होने को है, 11:15 बजे। मैं आपको बधाई क्यों दे रहा हूँ? आप तो सब जगह हार गए। कितना पैसा खर्च किया, पता नहीं कहाँ से पैसा आया। वैसे उस पे एक इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना पड़ेगा।
अर्नब भाई, महाराष्ट्र के अंदर क्रिएटेड रिकॉर्ड, वी contested 1 seat and we won 1 seat in Maharashtra. Kindly inform the viewers.
अभी एक बात बताइए।
Inform the viewers,
I want to give you बधाई tonight. I want to give you बधाई on behalf of Zinat also कि आपने अपने आप को 9 करोड़ मुस्लिम महिलाओं का प्रवक्ता बनाया। कृपा करके हम सबको बताइए, आपको 9 करोड़ मुस्लिम महिलाओं ने उनका प्रवक्ता कब बनाया? When were you made the spokesperson for 90 million Muslim women? Zinat, the nation wants to know. Zinat, the nation wants to know. Zinat, the nation wants to know. No, the nation wants to know. Zinat should ask him.
Arnab Goswami,
I know my name. मेरे नाम को दोहरा के आपको क्या मिलेगा?
Opposing the triple talaq bill. Why were you silent? Why did your channel not do a debate on that? Lakhs of Muslim women came on
because Zinat represents Muslim women, not you.
1 crore Muslim women have written to the president,
rubbish,
to the Supreme Court that we are against the bill.
Fake documents.
Why did you not? Your channel did not show this on the national television, madam. I am telling you, शौकत बहन, ये बिल मुसलमानों की औरतों के खिलाफ है। ये आपको बटन प्रूफ करना है। ये मुसलमान औरतों का कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला है।
खुद की बात कहने दीजिए ना, आप कौन होते हैं उनके लिए बोलने के लिए?
There are already several sections in the IPC which deals with the protection of women's rights.
Zinat, you'll have to speak up. He won't stop.
Domestic violence act is there.
He won't stop, Zinat. You got to come in on your own.
I want to.
Zinat, he will not stop.
It's an important point I want to make, Arnab. I can't.
बहन, थोड़ा सा अर्नब गोस्वामी
I want to say first
अर्नब गोस्वामी का नाम क्यों लेके आप अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं? मुद्दे पे आइए।
आप बताइए कि हजरत उमर ने 80 कोड़े बोले थे या नहीं मारने को, जो ट्रिपल तलाक बोला है? 80 कोड़े जो है हजरत उमर द सेकंड खलीफ ऑफ इस्लाम हैज सेड कि जो ट्रिपल तलाक प्रोनाउंस करे उसको 80 कोड़े मारो। अच्छा, आप सिविल लॉ की बात कर रहे हैं। एडल्ट्री इज अ पनिशेबल क्राइम, फॉर्निकेशन इज अ पनिशेबल क्राइम, थेफ्ट इज अ पनिशेबल क्राइम। आप क्या बात कर रहे हो पनिशेबल की?
मैडम, शादी सिविल,
आप क्या बात कर रहे हो पनिशेबल की? प्लीज आप मुझको
बताइए ना मेरे।
नहीं, बिल्कुल आई कैन नॉट एग्री विद यू सर, आई कैन नॉट एग्री विद यू, आई कैन नॉट एग्री विद यू। ये बिल आना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन for the protection of Muslim women, for a deterrent. कि एक आदमी
Fine.
जो है वो 3 लफ्ज कह के
fine,
अपनी
Dr.
बीवी को
fine.
बेइज्जत करके घर से निकाल
Anna,
दे,
please.
उसको असॉल्ट करे, उसको
Well
मारे
said, well
पीटे,
said.
उसको हॉस्पिटल में भेज दे, ये क्या है?
बहुत
ये
खूब,
कौन
बहुत
से
खूब।
इस्लाम की बात कर रहे हैं आप?
Oh.
प्लीज इस्लाम का
Okay,
नाम
Dr.
बदनाम
Salami,
मत
please.
कीजिए आप, इस्लाम को नीचा मत दिखाइए आप.
आतिक जैसे लोग नहीं जानते हैं ना
And
इस्लाम की
please, all of
सच्चाई।
you,
Dr.
when
Zeenat-
you're talking, all the men over
Dr.
here,
Zeenat, one
ये
second,
सब जो
one
है,
second,
these are
Dr.
anti-Quranic
जीनत जी
and
आप सिखाइए
anti-Islamic.
आतिक को, आप आतिक और फलाई जी को जरा सिखाइए कि इस्लाम में सच्ची
मैं
क्या बात
आतिक
लिखी है।
भाई,
आप
आतिक
पढ़ाइए
भाई,
इनको।
listen, what you were saying.
Are we living in
Islam
Hazrat
has
Umar's time?
made adultery a punishable
You need to
crime,
teach them.
fornication a punishable crime. Today, Pakistan and Bangladesh have made it a punishable crime, the triple talaq, the pronouncing of it. I don't know what you're talking
Equal rights,
about.
equal
I
law
don't know
for
which
both
century you're
citizens.
living in. I don't know which.
Dr. Saab, listen to me, please.
Which law you're talking about,
We
sir?
are not living
I
in
think
Hazrat
that you're-
Umar's
you're
time. We do
completely
not have a
warped with your
Sharia law.
argument.
We are having
argument are
equal
completely
protection
incorrect
before
and
law.
wrong.
Sorry.
I
And
have
that
heard
is
Mr.
the
Owaisi, and I
bill
cannot agree with
violates
him.
the equal protection
Do
of
not
law.
politicize this matter of women. Do not draw it into the ambit of
bill is
politics.
criminalizing our
Let
civil
Muslim women
disputes.
get
Is
justice.
not
discriminatory.
permitted
अगर
in our
आपको कोई
nation.
disagreement है, floor of the house में discuss कीजिए.
Make this limited.
Discuss
Well
it in
said.
the floor of the house.
This bill is
But kindly see to it that this bill is passed. We don't want it to go into refrigeration.
The moment it will be
We
passed
don't
by
want
the
it to
Lok
go
Sabha
into a
and Rajya
standing
Sabha,
committee and then for
when it
the
will
next
become a law, it will
5
stand
years.
in a court
I
of law.
cannot agree with you. I cannot agree with you.
I think
It is a whole very
Zeenat ji.
important issue for
Zeenat
Muslim
ji.
women.
Asad,
सबसे
Asad,
पहले आपने
Asad.
anti-Quranic law practice क्यों किया for
Asad,
70
Asad.
years?
You are giving the references of
Asad,
क्यों किया
I have a
practice?
suggestion.
आपने प्रॉमिस कैसा किया
Asad, I have a
मुसलमानों के?
suggestion
आपके
on behalf
Muslim personal law
lot of people.
calls it sinful and a punishable crime.
Lot
but
of people.
permitted it.
What can I be
On
louder
what
than
grounds
it?
have
Asad,
you
I want to
permitted
speak to you. Asad, many people are calling in right
have to
now
be punished
with a
for allowing
suggestion,
it.
and
All
the
the men
suggestion,
who have
Zeenat ji,
constituted this
Zeenat
act of
ji, 1 minute.
law
Amber,
should be punished.
Amber, many people are calling in with a suggestion that Zeenat Shaukat Ali should hold a class for people like Atik and Asad Falai on the true teachings of Islam. And I think it will do both of them a lot of good. Why don't you do that? Zeenat, maybe they don't know enough.
For Muslim women, for the rights of Muslims.
Look, Mr. Arnab, I'm always ready to correct
I can
myself.
say that
If you
they
will
don't-
be able to point out
Indeed.
where I'm
She was
wrong.
the head of the department.
Islam is
ready
egalitarian,
to
gives
correct
you
myself.
equality,
I'm always
gives you
ready to
gender
prove
justice.
myself. But you
Makes
have to
you
point
at
out
par.
where I'm wrong.
And what is this that they're heading for?
Zeenat, why don't you
I'm
teach
sorry.
Asad
I cannot
Falai
agree
about
with you, Atikur Rahman.
Islam's true teachings?
I cannot agree with you, and I cannot agree with Mr. Owaisi. On this
Yeah,
particular
of
issue,
course.
I cannot
Let's
agree
debate.
with him.
What is the true teachings of Islam
You
and what
can
is the
debate
tenets of
it.
Quran?
अगर
Okay,
कोई
let's have a
clause
debate
आपको
on it.
समझ में नहीं आया,
I
3
will
years,
give you the
1 year,
verses of the
yes,
Quran,
debate it.
where Quran says,
अगर
"At-talaqu
maintenance की
marratan."
बात है, debate it on the floor of the house. लेकिन do not please shelve this bill by saying that it is going to a standing committee.
आप
and
बताइए
put
ना
it in the
फलाई जी
deep
को
freeze
बताइए
for the
इनको
next
गलत
5
फहमी
years.
है
I
इस्लाम
am
के बारे
not
में आप
willing
बता
to
दीजिए
accept
इनको
that.
जीनत जी
I'm
जीनत
not
जी
willing to
जीनत जी
accept
अभी
that.
3 मिनट बाकी है मेरे डिबेट में वो कह रहे हैं कि मेरे से गलती हो गई तो मैं मान लूंगा आप जरा इनको बता दीजिए ताकि ये मान लें He should
very much clear in my statement.
No, you may not know enough about the subject, Asad. You see, the problem may not be in your intent, it may be in your knowledge. Maybe Zeenat ji understands things in greater depth. She has done more reading on the subject. Maybe she's a student and a scholar of comparative
I do read
religion.
the Quran.
And she's a scholar of
and
Islam.
You know what?
And
I
she
know
can
the
teach
Arabic
you maybe a
language.
few things.
I know the Arabic language.
No.
And I read
Arabic
the
language
Quran
is
with
not the
meanings.
issue. Maybe you don't
Okay?
understand the core teachings of Islam. And Zeenat ji can teach you maybe. I think it is necessary she does that.
Why are you cracking jokes, Mr. Arnab?
I'm not cracking a joke.
I am a degree holder, okay? I don't need to tell here, okay?
Degree holder?
That is the
I am a degree holder.
You don't know enough, no? Zeenat ji knows. She's an acclaimed Islamic scholar. And she can teach you a thing or two,
Okay,
and maybe you
that's
should.
a different thing. Maybe
You-
you know
you need
much
to
better
learn
than
from
me,
her.
and
Zeenat ji, will you-
she must
will
be
you
having
please
a good
teach her?
knowledge about the Islam and the Quran.
Zeenat ji,
Okay,
will you
I don't-
teach her?
But,
Will you
but,
teach
but it
Mr.
doesn't mean,
Falai? Will you teach him?
No,
I think you
I'm
should.
not here to teach anyone. Sorry.
No,
I'm
you
not
will
here
not-
to
you will
teach
learn.
anyone.
It'll be a pleasure.
I'm here to put my views.
No,
what's
Zeenat
right
ji
and
will
what's
teach
wrong.
you.
and what should be done.
No, but Zeenat ji is agreeing to teach you.
Yeah, she can.
She's a senior person, she can always teach.
She should teach you, and she should teach Atikur also.
Absolutely.
No, she should teach you also how to debate, I think.
This
Yes, she should.
discrimination.
Arey Arnab, I am
The
a student.
discrimination.
We are followers of
The
the likes of Dr.
discrimination that
Zeenat
he's
Shaukat
talking
Ali
about,
and Dr.
it was
Rafiq Zakaria.
something that the Prophet
We
Muhammad,
have
may
held
peace be
them,
upon him,
their
overcame
authorities on
in
Islam
that
and put to
century.
its position
And
in
you are
Islam.
taking it, you're going back into the dark ages by talking in this manner and conducting yourself and, screaming and shouting, sir. Islam mein hai ki the loudest of voices is the braying of an ass. तो धीरे से बात कीजिए, आप आराम से बात कीजिए और ये बात का तोड़ निकालिए. We don't have to scream at each other. We have to talk to each other.
Exactly.
We don't have to scream. आराम से बात कीजिए. There is writing on the wall, sir.
देखिए वारिस.
ये बिल आने वाला है और मुसलमान औरतें अभी वो आपके अंदर दबाव में नहीं आने वाली है और वो कचरे के जैसा जो आप ट्रीट करने सिखाए थे बंदों को वो नहीं चलने वाला है.
मैडम जीनत सिस्टर, जीनत बहन, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. ये जो बिल है ये वुमन को गुमराह करने वाला बिल है. इससे वुमन को कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला है, उल्टा नुकसान होने वाला है.
आप कौन होते हैं? अंबर इज आल्सो बैक.
पड़ेगा कि क्या हुआ है कि नहीं, और उसके बाद अगर हस्बैंड उसका हस्बैंड जेल में चला गया, मुझे आप बताइए बहन, कौन उस औरत की खिदमत करेगा 3 साल? कौन उसका मेंटेनेंस देगा? और 3 साल के बाद
ख्याल खुद रखेंगे.
जेल से बाहर आएगा तो क्या उस
अंबर आप बोलिए. अंबर आप बोलिए.
संविधान का उल्लंघन आर्टिकल
समझ नहीं रहे. बात बताइए.
अभी कौन करता है?
जब तलाक हुई नहीं तो
अरे तो जेल जब जाएगा, जब ये प्रूव हो जाएगा कि उसने तलाक दी है.
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी is on the debate in the middle. 30 seconds left.
आपने जो बना है बिल उसको समझ नहीं रहे, हर चीज को मिक्स करके अब कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट कर रहे हैं.
मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहता हूं द एंटायर डिबेट इज नाउ हिंजिंग एंड रोटेटिंग टुवर्ड्स द इस्लामिक बिलीफ एंड द मुस्लिम आइडेंटिटी.
सरकार हमारी हिंदू बहनों का भी ख्याल.
I just want to say a serious thing.
Yes.
In the last 50 years,
केरला के अंदर
जितनी बार आपने कोशिश की इस्लामिक आइडेंटिटी को एसेट करने की, आपको फायदा हुआ है, नुकसान सोच लीजिए. 1970 you brought the Muslim Personal Law Board, 76 secular word, 1980 फर्स्ट फतवा बाय ए मुस्लिम क्लरिक टुवर्ड्स पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जब इमाम बुखारी ने इंदिरा जी को दिया. 86 शाबानो केस. आप डिकेड ये सो कॉल्ड मुस्लिम आइडेंटिटी को बढ़ाते चले गए. मुसलमानों की एजुकेशन और फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन खराब होती चली गई. आप खुद कहते हैं कम होता चला गया. तो आप सोचिए आपने इन चीजों का फायदा किया मुस्लिम समाज का.
इसीलिए मैंने कहा क्यों 77 के अंदर अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी को, एल के अडवाणी जी को उसी जामा मस्जिद की सीढ़ियों पे लोगों ने अपने कंधों पे उठाया था और उनका आवाज बुलंद की थी. वो आपको याद नहीं है. आपको ये फतवा याद आ रहा है कि वहां पे दिया. याद रखिएगा हर चीज फतवा नहीं होती है कि आप उस पे जब तक ना लिखा हो ना रिटर्न पेपर.
And I thank you all, ladies and gentlemen. We pray and hope that this is a season of change. We pray and hope. We pray with all our heart. We pray with all our heart that the Triple Talaq bill is passed. And on the day it is passed, women like Zeenat Shaukat Ali and women like Amber Zaidi will remember that the fight has been worth it. Mr. Falahi, please change your mind. Atikur Rahman, I read your mind. And I shall see you soon. Thank you for being with me. See you soon at 9 p.m. Good night and goodbye.